Aloha! Welcome back to Hainao Japan. I'm Yuta Matsumoto. Today we're going horseback riding with Paniolo Adventures. Our ride started from the Maunalani Resort and drove along the Kohala coast to the upcountry town of Waimea. The views along the way were beautiful, and soon we were at Paniolo Adventures, a great place to go for a horseback ride. The folks at Paniolo Adventures really made sure that we were prepared and safe for our ride. They provided us with boots and this really cool coat. Soon it was my turn to saddle up and meet my horse, Paulo. By the way, the word Paniolo is the Hawaiian word for cowboy or someone who herds cattle. I definitely felt like a cowboy that day. Soon everyone was on their horse and it was time to go on a ride. The views are absolutely gorgeous from this 11,000-acre ranch. It's located on Mount Kohala, but you can easily see Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, Haleakala, and Hualalai. The day we went riding, the wind was blowing really hard and there was a light rain in the air. But that didn't stop us from having a great ride. After about 2 hours, we arrived back at the stables. What a great ride! That was a beautiful and fun time. Make sure to check out Paniolo Adventures when you are on Hawaii Island. Thank you for staying with us as we went holo holo from Honolulu to the Big Island. We learned a lot from Uncle Danny about the historic grounds around the beautiful Maunalani Resort and felt the presence of great royalty. And we ate some of the best food I've eaten in my life. That was so delicious! Whether we were under the blue ocean snorkeling with the fish or riding on a horse in upcountry Waimea, the Big Island was awesome! Stay tuned for more adventures on Hainao Japan.